In this video, we're going to take a simple idea, running a Python application on Ubuntu, and turn it into something practical and fun. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to check your system, install what you need, create a Python file, and run it successfully. We need to make sure Python is actually installed on the computer. We can do this by checking its version. In my case, Python wasn't installed yet, so before anything else, we update the system. Updating simply refreshes Ubuntu's package lists so it knows about the latest available software and security patches. Once that finishes, we can install Python 3, and the installation only takes a moment. Now that Python is ready, let's create our Python file. I'm going to head to my home directory, and inside the Turtle Code folder, we'll create a brand new Python file. I'll open it using the editor, and inside this file, we'll write a tiny interactive program. It asks the user for their name and then prints a friendly welcome message. After writing it, we save the file and close the editor. Next, we run the file using Python. And just like that, our application works perfectly. It asks for input, we type our name, and it responds with a nice greeting. Simple, clean, and a great way to understand how Python behaves inside Ubuntu. If you enjoy learning things like this, make sure to check out the courses section on the channel. There are many free Python classes waiting for you, and I think you'll find them really helpful. And if you'd like to support the channel, you can join as a member, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Keep learning, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.